And just like that, we are on our season ender, di ba? Episode 30 na po ang aming season 22. Palakpakan naman po tayo sa The Vicky Show. Ako po si Alawan Ignacio, ang Vivo That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring ultra maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
And I'm so loving the Jessica Rabbit red
Ay,
dress.
my God.
Iba rin. Para ikaw talaga yung homewrecker eh.
Ay, ganon?
Na-hurt ako. Tapos naman po sa last episode natin, ako yun.
I don't know.
Na-black and white tuloy ako.
Aray ko, Diyos ko na. Kasi may durusa ka ngayon. Charot! Di ba?
And on our Eastern round, which is I think the perfect topic dahil hindi pa sila magwawakas, lalo hindi pa sila wasak na wasak, at lalo hindi pa nagtatapos ang kanilang bonggang-bonggang karera. Ikinabigla ng lahat na sa World Digital Song Sales, ang pangalawa sa bago nilang kanta sa Wakas at Simula album, picked recently at number 9. Ano po Mare? Yung wakas na kanta, mapanakit puso. Nakakawandang ang mga lyrics. At napakinggan mo talaga yon, yung masaya na naman ang buhay mo. Tapos pag narinig mo yung kanta, parang gusto mong ma-depress.
Ganon?
Parang gusto mong malungkot. Parang bakit ano to?
Parang walang impact sa akin yung ganyan.
Ay, talaga ba?
Oh!
Okay.
Diyos ko, I don't get depressed over songs.
Sa wakas na marami na rin sila palang kanta na pumasok sa World Digital Sales. Unang-una, ang Dam na number 1 on its debut week. Then, it re-entered on number 9 by December of 2025. Mare, ano yung pangalawa?
Visa at number 6. And Dungka at number 9.
Okay. Gento at number 8. And of course, yung pinag-uusapan natin, yung Wakas at number 9 na makapunit at makawarak puso. Mare, why do you think the world is now so ready and is so accepting of SB19? Kasi digital sales chart to. At talagang lagi silang nakakapasok.
Kasi ang key dito is wala silang katulad.
Okay. Surula Jen.
That makes them a standout.
They
are a cut very, very above the rest.
Yes.
Diba?
Correct.
Walang walang papantay, walang mas aangat sa kanila. Di ba? So, they have set the standard so high and by sheer luck, they they up the ante each time na meron silang bagong kanta.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo.
Yun ang hindi makuha ng ibang P-pop band.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes, tama ka naman dyan. And also, yung mga collaborations nila with Boyfriend, sa kanilang yung kanta nilang Boyfriend, nakakollaborate nila ang BE:FIRST sa Japan, number 1. And I think 2 charts, number 1 yun, sa Sonic ata or sa Billboard Japan. And also, yung kanta nila with Jolene, yung Emoji, is also rating very well charts-wise sa China.
At saka, ang napansin ko lang, they have this magic na even if they are singing songs of the heart, songs of the emotions, di ba? Melancholic, pero always in an upbeat tune. Di ba? Yun yung nila yun yung standard sa kanila na tapos there are rebellious streaks in the composition. Di ba? Like yung Dungka, like yung the one with Sarah Geronimo. What was that? Di ba?
That song.
That has rebellious streaks, di ba? Pero they make it a point to relay the message in a manner that is acceptable. Di ba? Kasi may ibang bands, no offense meant, talagang outright, talagang,
Galit na galit.
oo, gustong manakit, di ba? Pero sila, they have the uncanny knack for something more artistic, even though they are the most radical P-pop band.
Yes. And what is most radical about Wakas? Wakas nga ba yung song na number 9? It's a power ballad
Mm.
and it's in Filipino.
Mm.
Imagine mo, sa US, yung World Digital Song Sale something, doon siya nag-number 9.
Mm.
Iba na, a Filipino song that you only feel the emotions, especially if you're an American or from some other country. Siyempre pag sa digital, letra lang ang maririnig mo, wala naman yung subtitles, di ba? Pero still,
They
nakaakit
were
ng number
able to,
9. Di ba? that I think is really an artistic feat na ang hirap i-explain.
that's their magic.
Oh, throw ka dyan. Gusto ko yung sa word mo na magic. Di ba?
They weave seamlessly their music, their message, and their content. Yun yun.
Oh.
Kasi that's yung tatlong yan.
Mm.
They are in unison.
Yes, sa kanila.
Diba sa
no?
kanila? Diba? Which hindi ma-achieve ng ibang band. Sila lang nakaka-achieve nun.
Yes. And ako also look forward to the day that magkaroon ng music video tong kantang to.
Wakas?
Oo, na number 9. And of course, magkaroon rin ng music video yung Toy Friend nila because
Bakit wala ba pa mga
Wala-
music video?
ang meron palang music video is yung Visa at yung emoji sa mga bago lang kanta. Lyric video pa lang yung sa Toy Friend na kasama nila yung BE:FIRST na taga Japan. A very big J-pop group. Tapos tong Wakas nga, sila lang. Pero wala pa tong music video. Diba wala pang music video, sa digital mo lang naririnig, nag-number 9 na. Kaya kahanga-hanga yung mga taong nagmamahal at nagda-download at nag-i-stream.
You mean by virtue of music
Oo.
and lyrics?
Lyrics.
Yun ang nagdala na sa
Oo.
number 9?
Wala pang video. Diba?
That's the appeal of the song?
Oo. That's how
My
much appealing
God.
is the song talagang. I remember that line, di ba? Remember Julia Roberts and Pretty Women? Pretty
Woman.
Woman. Di ba sabi di ba nanonood sila ng play ni Richard, they're going to watch an
Richard
opera.
Gere,
Richard Gere. Tapos sabi ni Julia Roberts, Italian yan, hindi ko maintindihan, ganyan. Ang sabi sa kanya, Richard, just feel. Diba? Yun ang ginawa ng mga Amerikano at ng mga ibang lahi dun sa kantang Wakas. Dinamdam na. Niramdaman. Pinakiramdaman.
Alam mo, because music is a universal
Yes.
language
Yes.
na everybody can understood.
You can understand.
Kahit na everybody can understand, kahit na we don't speak the same language,
Yes.
di ba?
Oo.
Yun yung magic ng song
Oh, and I think, kasi it's a heartbreak song. It's di ba pag heartbreak song, kahit anong lingwahe, mararamdaman mo, di ba? So, nakutuwa lang ako sabi mo nga sa magic and the power. And we have to congratulate Pablo Nase.
Why?
Kasi siyang composer ng song.
Okay.
Di ba? The leader of SB19.
Wakas?
Of Wakas. Most of the songs naman, of the new songs in the album are made by Rad Kids, Pablo and Joshua. So, congratulations.
Iba talaga ang ang SB19. Diba parang hindi matitinag.
Hindi matitinag. And ang maganda pa doon is that right now, yung 18 fandom, hindi lang sa Pilipinas ang power. Kahit sa ibang bansa, may mga 18 USA na, 18 Japan, 18 Singapore, 18 Europe, at 18 kung saan-saan. Tapos may bagong kanta o album, ang SB19, sabay-sabay silang nag-stream to make sure that this song, whatever song, achieve the success it deserves. So we really also have to congratulate 18.
They have a solid following.
Oo, na hindi lang sa Pilipinas na.
Oo.
Sa
Worldwide.
iba't ibang bahagi ng ating ng mundo. Diba? So, sa 1Z Entertainment, kay Pablo Nase, kay Justin De Josh, sa kanilang creative director, sa kanilang main dancer na si Ken Suson, sa kanilang panganay, si Josh Callen Santos, at of course, si Stel Ahero sa kanilang main vocalist. mahusay kayo, mabuhay kayo, at thank you very much for always making Wagayway the bandila ng Pilipinas. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, ang diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
At ang niyo pong pinapanood at The Kitty Show, Tarayana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.